Welcome to our exciting showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Today, we will delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your home or party needs. Let's get started. The EUHOMY Nugget ice maker boasts an impressive ice production speed, generating ice in just 6 minutes, making it perfect for quick refreshments during gatherings. In contrast, the Igloo model takes slightly longer, producing ice every 7 to 8 minutes. While both machines are efficient, the EUHOMY has the edge for those who prioritize speed. When it comes to daily ice production, the EUHOMY model leads the pack with a capacity of 34 pounds of nugget ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or parties. On the other hand, the Igloo model produces 26 pounds daily, which is still substantial but may fall short for bigger events. If you need more ice, the EUHOMY is the clear winner. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker comes equipped with an auto-cleaning feature, allowing for hassle-free maintenance and ensuring your ice maker stays clean and functional. In contrast, the Igloo model requires manual cleaning, which can be less convenient for users. This feature makes the EUHOMY a more user-friendly option for those who prefer low-maintenance appliances. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker have their unique strengths. The EUHOMY excels in ice production speed, daily capacity, and convenience with its auto-cleaning feature. Meanwhile, the Igloo offers a more budget-friendly option. Depending on your needs and preferences, either could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.